This is the application called routines. It has over 100 routines that you can look at. Here I can click on morphing for. It morphs an E to an F and then back again. Here is the program for it. But I can't copy the program here, but I would like to go copy it. So I'm going to click on the screen and go back to the main page, and then I'm going to go to program. Well, I know it's a routine, and I in fact know that it's listed in routines. The brown box in the lower right, I'm going to click on routines. Here are all the routines that have labels and comments. Here is the one whose comment is morphing for. So if I click on that, it's going to take me to the routines instructions. Here they are in subprogram 3 at tab 8. And in order to have a routine name, the line has to have a label. This one has the label AH. And the comment has to start with a period, or it won't be listed on the routines page. Well, it says this is the comment that goes with label AH. Down here is comments. Here are the ones that start with A through B. Click there. Ah, yes, here's AH, and the comment is period, morphing for. Well, if I added something to that line, add this, you see that it's automatically put up here with that comment. Well, I'm not going to do that, so I'm going to delete that back out. I just wanted to show you where the comments are placed. Say, click on enter. It's still just morphing for. Now if I wanted to copy this and place it anywhere else in another application in any one of the subprograms, I could highlight it in a green box, save the green lines, and then I could store the saved green lines on the hard drive. Now I can go to any other application, any one of its subprograms, and copy this right into it. Now to get rid of the green lines, you just click a line above it at the right side and it'll go away. So now we learned how to make a routine name. We didn't have to make it at a tab. We could put it anywhere. So I'm going to go down here, put that instruction in update mode, give it a label, KA, replace it back there. Okay, it moved it down here. There's KA. Now I'm going to go to the labels for KA. There they are, and I put it at the top. This is KA. Notice it put it right down there. Oh, hey, I forgot to put the period in front of it. Period, this is KA. Thanks for reminding me. Now I'll hit enter. Now this line should be listed in routines. So I'm going to go down here again, hit routines, and yes, there's now a routine called This is KA. And if I click on it, it takes me right to KA. Now, so using comments to be made into routine names so that they're listed here is one way for you to find the routine that you want. There's also things you can do. Oh, I don't want those blue lines on right now, so hold on a second. We'll get rid of the blue lines there. You can also find things For instance, all the instructions that use the vect action. I'm going to put this instruction in update mode. Vect is highlighted. Then I'm going to go over here and say find vect. Notice it's in blue because it's in this instruction. Here it shows you a list of all the instructions in this subprogram that use the vect action. Matter of fact, you come down here and see used by program. The main program does not use it at all. This program uses it 9 times. That's subprogram 1. Subprogram 2 uses it 2 times. Subprogram 3 uses it 9 times, and so forth. What you notice right away is that the lines that use it are highlighted in blue. Now this one has the yellow, but if you look at the tips of it, there's blue on each end. Here's another blue one. What's important is to notice that here is the blue position pole. The pole is marked with red lines wherever there is an instruction that uses the vect action. So I can go down here, and it says there's one used here. Well, there it is. And it's used down here 2 times. It's used down here. So I can click on the position pole at the little red lines to see where it's used at. Now I'm going to go back to the top of it. I can also use the arrows down here, particularly this one, to move down. Notice the little white dot. That's the position of where you're at the time. I'll click down again. You notice as I click, the white dot moves down. Find another blue one. There's another blue one. And on the opposite side, the arrow moves it up. You can go slower by clicking the beginning of the arrow, and it won't move as fast on either side, up and down. And I can always click anywhere I want on the position pole, and you notice the white dot moves with me. Now I'll show you again how to get rid of the blue lines. You just click on an instruction and immediately click find, and they all went away, and so did all of the little red markers. While programming, get information from the glossary by clicking info. Thank you for watching.